Hi, we are Quadraceratops, and we have developed the game Getting Scrappy, which is an educational recycling game. And now we'll give you a little demo to see how it runs.
So, level 1 says, determine if items are recycling or trash. Paper items are recyclable. Other items like takeout containers, broken dishes, and styrofoam are trash. Drag the respective items into their correct bins.
So let's sort some items. Our first item is a styrofoam cup, so that's going to go into the trash. Our next item is a cardboard box, and that's going to go into recycling. Now we have some newspapers, which also go into the recycling.
Let's see what happens if the item is placed in the wrong bin. We get deducted 10 points.
Let's see what happens when we let items go off the screen. They're going into the landfill, and we get negative points.
Nearby is a score icon indicating how many points you've earned, and the level icon indicating your game progress. We also have a truck slider bar that indicates how much time you have left in the game level.
In addition, we have a pause button. It pauses the game in case you would like to take a break.
Next to the pause button, we have a menu button. We can jump back to the main page with this.
Let's go to level 2. We also have some metal items. Now, we have to put paper and metal into the blue bin, and all the trash will remain going into the brown bin. Here's a metal can.
When you've completed a level, you're able to access the next level via the menu screen. As we've completed levels 1 and 2, now we can access levels 1, 2, and 3 via the menu screen. Notice how 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are grayed out. In level 3, we introduce plastic items. You should place them in the recycling bin with paper and metal.
Right-click on the bottles to separate the bottle from the cap. You should place the bottle in the recycling bin, but the cap must go in the trash.
Let's see it in action. See, we got 10 points for the bottle. We also get 10 points for putting the cap in the trash.
In level 4, we have a new bin. This one's exclusive for glass items. Careful, it's a little bit smaller.
In level 5, we have a new bin. Please put food waste and yard debris in this bin.
Here we have a hamburger, and we place that in the green bin.
Level 6 is the beginning of what we like to call berserk mode. You have to really focus as the conveyor belt goes faster and faster. However, we have a freeze button if you need to slow it down for a second, but you only get a limited number of freezes.
Look how fast it's going. Let's show an example of freeze in action.
You only have 2 more left.
Now that we've used all our freezes, we cannot use the freeze button for the remainder of this level. Oh no! No! Don't want to put it there. These are in the wrong spots. Oh, no, that's the wrong one. Let's do the last freeze. Boom. 10 seconds left. Let's see if I can break 150.
Wow, it seems that even Ridge is having some difficulty with this speed. You really have to stay focused.
Game over. We finished.
Now that you see how fun this game is and how challenging this game is, go on and try the game. It's available at the link in description for free. Now let's get scrappy.